Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to do arithmetic operations on two arrays. Okay, it can be generalized for multiple arrays. Whatever we do it for two arrays is the same for any number of arrays. Okay, so what I am going to do is I will show you the array addition and subtraction, multiplication of two arrays, and multiplication by a scalar, and division. Okay, so now we will go for array addition. I have two arrays are here. One is this set, that is a set, and other list is here. I just wanted to add these two arrays. Okay, so I want to add means I must add the corresponding elements. That means 9 plus 19. Okay, similarly 19 plus 1, 7 plus 1, the same element position I want to add it and have the answer here. Okay, which can be done simply by writing simple formulas like a5 plus 19. Okay, this is okay. Then again this one plus 1, and so on, or shift the formulas and so on. But it is going to be a tedious and a lengthy process if the array becomes a large list. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the array formulas to do the work. Okay, so what we have here is the first array and the second array. I want to add it. If obviously if this is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 array, the range 3 rows and 3 columns, and this is 3 by 3, then the answer is going to be 3 by 3. Then if it is 3 by 3, it is meaningless to add a formula in one single cell. Okay, so what we are going to do is we must select the output cells where the 3 by 3 output is going to come, or where do you want Excel to put your 3 by 3 output. Okay, so I just select 3 by 3, the output is here. Okay, so now I am going to type the formula. Then when I type, it will be typed in the active cell of the selected cells. Just type equal to. What I'm going to do, just do like addition operator. You do the array addition also the same. Just put the first array, the range. Okay, then plus, then the second array range. Okay, once you type in, then you must tell the Excel that you are typing a array formula. For that, what you need to do is you need to control shift enter, not simple enter. Simple enter is for only for simple formulas. For control shift enter for array formulas, you press control shift hold together and press enter. Okay, I press control, then I press shift, both hold together, I press enter. Now you could see here that the whole set is populated. Before that, the formula is enclosed with braces. That means the formula is a array formula. Okay, so Excel recognizes this formula as array formula, that's why it put braces. Okay, now this 28 is 9 plus 19, 28. 19 plus first row second elements, 19 plus 1, 20. First row third element, 7 plus 1, 8, and so on. Okay, now you know how to do the addition. Probably you may have different months sales in one array, for January sales and February sales and so on. Then you want to add, you no need to individually add, you can add it in a array format, then you will get the overall sales. Okay, that is possible. So this is a simple exercise, can help you on your balance sheets and your analysis and other things. Okay, similarly for subtraction. Okay, the same thing, the output is going to be a 3 by 3 array, because we are going to subtract 3 by 3 array by a 3 by 3 array from a 3 by 3 array. Okay, so it is, you select the 3 by 3. Now start writing equal to the first array minus the second array range. Okay, you call array or list or range all same. Okay, now control shift enter like before. Now you know that 1 minus 10 which is minus 9, 2 minus 5 which is minus 3, 5 minus 16 is minus 11. Okay, and so on. Okay, now comes the array multiplication. You must keep in mind that array multiplication and multiplication of matrices are totally different. Okay, array multiplication is multiplying the same number with the same position with the another array. Okay, so it could be calculation of interest. You may have a different array for interest, and you may have first array for capital, then you multiply, you get the interest, something like that. Okay, so you have first array with the second array, which is 5 into 4, 20. I need it in the first place, 1 comma 1, first row first column, 14 into 16 in the first row second column, and so on. Okay, how can I do that? Select it is also the output is going to be a 4 by 4 rows 3 columns array, so 4 into 3. Okay, so I selected the output. Then I am writing a formula equal to the first array into the second array, and control shift enter. Now you could see all the, by one stroke it is populating all the values. Okay, you can see 5 into 4, 20 is here, final element is 20 into 8 is 160 is here. See, and also the formulas are embraced with braces, enclosed with the braces. Okay, this is the array multiplication. Okay, then multiplication by a scalar. Okay, you have a number and you want to multiply your array with that number. How to do that? This is also similar to the array multiplication, but at this time what we are going to do, one value is a single value. Okay, the output is going to be the array. Okay, so each individual element here must be multiplied with 10 in this case. Okay, select the full output cells, then equal to the scalar number A24 and into the array. Okay, this time this is only single value, but this is the array. Now you must press control shift and enter to tell the Excel that you are doing a array formula. Now you can see here 10 into 10 100, 10 into 16 160, 10 into 1 10, and so on, 16 into 10 160. Okay, this is the multiplication by a scalar. And we have final exercise on array division. Okay, how we are going to do the dividing a array with the array. Okay, so it's also the same. 5 I want to divide with 4, 14 by 16, 2 by 18. Similarly the final element 20 by 8. Okay, so each corresponding element I want to do the operation. Okay, so when I divide 4 by 3 array with 4 by 3 elements, then answer is also going to be 4 by 3. Okay, 4 rows and 3 columns. So I selected the output cells. Now equal to, I am selecting the first array divided by, I am selecting the second array, and control shift enter. Now you could see the elements, each corresponding element is divided by the corresponding element in the second array. 5 is divided by 4 in the first array, that's why we got 1.25. Okay, similarly 18 is divided by, 18 is in the fourth array second element, and fourth row second element in the first array. Similarly, fourth row second element in the second array, both divided 18 divided by 2, okay, which is 9. Okay, the first array is this, second array is this. Okay, so this way you can perform your array addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything. You need to select the multiple cells because the output is going to be multiple. Then enter in the active cell, just put equal to, it will go to the active cell. Do the operation. Instead of small numbers, you are doing an array of numbers, so the range select plus the range, something like that. You put the operator and the range. Okay, then control shift enter. Okay, the same thing for addition, subtraction, multiplication by a scalar, and array division. Okay, hope this example helps you in your other analysis, and it can simplify a lot of work for us using a array formula. Okay, and hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and God bless you.